Hi everyone, my name is Christy and today I'm going to be unboxing my September Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box. And I'm so excited because this is such a pleasant surprise that this delivered earlier than what my tracking was saying it was expected to deliver. And every single month that I get this box, it just makes me so happy and so excited. I cannot remember what's in this box, but let's hope I love it as much as I've loved all of my past Ipsy Glam Bag Plus boxes. So if you've been following my channel, you probably know that this is one of my favorite videos to film every month. But so actually Ipsy announced last month that they were making some changes to the subscription service. So if you're not familiar with what Ipsy is, it's a monthly beauty subscription that is personalized to you, and it gets personalized by filling out a questionnaire, and then each time you receive products, you can review them, rate them, and that tells Ipsy your preferences so that it's a curated box to your liking. I just pulled up the email so that I could be accurate in what I'm telling you. But so you're going to be able to choose a product every month. It says starting in October, you can pick 2 products you'll receive each month, 1 in each bag. So I'm guessing that means that I'll be able to choose 1 product for the Glam Bag Plus and 1 product for the Glam Bag itself. It says you'll start getting a makeup bag with your Glam Bag Plus, so I'm excited about that. It says it'll be valued at $8 every month, so hopefully they're cute. And then they said that the cost of the Ipsy Glam Bag, which was currently $10 a month, is increasing to $12 a month. But they had an annual subscription that you could lock in at $10 a month for the annual subscription. So that's what I did. I just signed up for the whole year so that it would stay $10 a month. But then they also added the ultimate version, which would have 12 products a month. So I did not sign up for that yet. It's kind of expensive. It's $50 a month, but it comes with 8 full-size products and 4 deluxe-size samples valued at least $250 or more. And then it says plus a makeup bag that's an $18 value. So let me know in the comments down below, do you think I should subscribe to the Ipsy Ultimate subscription as well? Would you be interested in seeing those videos? And I would love to know in the comments down below if you decided to sign up for the Ultimate subscription. But so that's all some exciting stuff that's going to happen next month. But so right here is the last month of the current Ipsy subscription box. So let's get into it. Don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you. I basically have that quote memorized by now because it's been in all of my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus boxes. Okay, oh my gosh, this is packaged so beautifully. Oh, I did an add-on of this right here. This is Babe Lash Essential Serum, and I've been using this eyelash growth serum for almost 2 years now. I think I started in November 2 years ago, and it has actually changed my eyelashes. I wish I had my before pictures that I took, but they really are so much longer and I feel like I have more lash hairs. But the ultimate eyelash transformation from the Babe Lash serum happened to my sister. Oh my gosh, I got my sister this for Christmas last year, and I need to post her eyelash transformation. She has the longest eyelashes now, and she seriously like never really had very nice eyelashes. Sorry, Allie, but she just had like normal eyelashes. They weren't noticeably long or full or anything like that. Now, when you see her, her eyelashes are the first thing you notice, and it's all natural and all because of Babe Lash. So I swear by this. I was able to add it on for $12, which is such a deal. I think I paid $50 when I bought this online, and then when I got it for my sister last year, I got it during Black Friday. They usually do some pretty good Black Friday deals, but never as good as $12. Let me just double check. Yeah, this is the exact same size, the exact same one that I'm currently using that I paid $50 for. So this is awesome. I highly recommend it. Okay, so that was my add-on, and then what I actually got this month, okay, let's start with this. So it looks like the theme of the September 2019 Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus are Find Your Light. It says, discover yourself, rediscover your guiding North Star. Okay, so this here, it's the, I just got so confused. I think this is an add-on because it's not part of my box. It's Radiant Glow Highlighter from IBY Beauty. Cute packaging. Yeah, I did add on 2 products last month, so that must be what's in here. Gosh, I can't even remember. But this looks so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna do a little swatch. That has some really pretty glow to it. In person, I'm feeling like it might be a little too dark for my skin tone to wear as like a highlighter, but it could definitely look pretty on the eyes. I'm excited to try that out. And this is a brand that I haven't heard of, so I love when I get to try out new brands from Ipsy. So then the next product, Ofra Madison Miller Midi Palette. Miller Squad. Okay, Madison Miller is a YouTuber that I just started watching, and this is so exciting that she has a collab with Ofra. It says this has a retail value of $35. Well, let's check these out. This is cute packaging. Ooh. So it looks like you get a highlighter, a blush, and a darker highlighter, and a nice mirror with it. Ooh, I love that pinky highlighter. And I was thinking that I needed to get a new blush. So now I have one. This is perfect. All of those swatched so beautifully. Kind of hard to see on my skin tone, but I'm so excited to try this palette out on my face. The next product, I gotta pull out this one right here. This is big. This is the Glam Glow Tropical Cleanse Daily Exfoliating Cleanser. Oh my gosh, nice. I feel like I've been getting a lot of Glam Glow products recently, which are just so exciting because I remember watching YouTube videos and people would try out Glam Glow products and I'd be like, wow, those are such fancy, nice products. I wish I could try those out. And now I have some in my own collection and I'm so excited to try this out because this retails for $34. And I love to exfoliate my skin. I feel like it's what my skin needs to look its best because I do tend to have dry skin, and ever since I started exfoliating, my skin has just taken a turn for the better. I rarely ever break out anymore, and I really do think that's because of exfoliating. So I'm really excited to be able to work this into my routine. And then this product, oh my gosh, I know this one. This is so cute. This is the Ciate London Extraordinary Translucent Powder. And I'm pretty sure I got a tiny little version of this in my first ever Ipsy bag, or one of my very first ones. And I loved that powder. I used it all up completely, but if you want to see my review on that powder, I will have it linked down below. But I'm so excited to have a full-size version. This is seriously such a great powder. It looks so smooth on the skin and lasts all day. And that has a retail value of $22. There are so many products in my box this month because of my, I think I did 3 add-ons, right? And then this is from Wander Beauty, which is another brand that I had wanted to try out when I would see it on YouTube and I heard about it on podcasts. And then I got to try out a bunch of different Wander Beauty products from Ipsy, and I've loved all the ones that I've tried so far. And so this is the Frame Your Face Micro Brow Pencil. which is also perfect timing because I am in need of a new brow pencil. I got this in the shade Taupe, and it retails for $21. So I'm really excited to try this out. I love doing my brows. It's one of my favorite makeup techniques and makeup products to wear. Okay, and then here, what's this one? Ilamasqua. I'm definitely not pronouncing that correctly, but that's a brand that I've tried out because of Ipsy and I really like. So this, ooh, beautiful packaging. This is the Antimatter lipstick in Cosmic, retail value of $27. Oh, this looks like a beautiful shade. I'm so excited to see how this looks on me. Why do I feel the need to smell it? Not getting any scent, but should I do a little swatch? Got a bunch of swatches going. Oh yes. All of these colors together look so nice. Okay, and the last product in here, this is another add-on that I did. This is from Estate. It's lip icing. This packaging is adorable. It's got these little pink stripes and then some frosting with sprinkles. So cute. Okay, I'm gonna swatch this too. Ooh, a nice triangle applicator with the hollow center. Ooh, and this smells like dessert. Okay, where to swatch? Ooh, yeah, really nice high shine gloss there. Oh my gosh, I have so many awesome products to try out. I'm so excited. So if you're not already aware, I try out a new makeup product every day on my YouTube channel. Those videos go up at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I'm going to be trying out all of these products, all of these makeup products in my upcoming video, so I'll be doing full dedicated reviews. But I would love to know in the comments down below if there are any products that you're extra excited for me to do videos on. And also I would love to know if you got the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box for the month of September and what products came in your box. And if you've tried any of these, I would love to know your thoughts on them. But so let me do a quick recap. I have so much here. So let me just show you to start the add-ons that I did. I did the Radiant Glow highlighter from IBY Beauty, the Estate lip icing. I added on Babe Lash, and then in my actual September Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box, I got the Glam Glow Tropical Cleanse Exfoliating Cleanser. I got the Ilamasqua Antimatter lipstick. I got the Ciate London Extraordinary Translucent Powder, the Wander Beauty Brow Pencil, and the Madison Miller Ofra Midi Palette. So I'm very excited about this box so far. I can't wait to try these products out. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.